Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello mga ka-showbiz! Welcome back to my channel. Update tayo with Maymay. Sa kakatapos ng kanyang pagrampa sa Paris Fashion Week ay ito nga panibago. Inibitahan siya sa isang fashion show na Maison Yoshiki. Maison Yoshiki, I think from a Japanese fashion designer na nagustuhan si Maymay sa kanyang pagrampa at pagkanta, at ito nga inimbitahan siya ng isang show na Maison Yoshiki, kung saan may rampahan sa runway at may kantahan din, may piano na plinay ng isang artist sa isang Maison Yoshiki na nakabase sa Paris. I think fashion designer, at take note, parang heart evangelista ang dating ni Maymay dito. Pero mas malaking model si Heart Evangelista kaysa kay Maymay. Subalit, parang unti-unti na natutupad ang kanyang pangarap, at ito nga ay nakarampa siya sa Paris at hindi siya makapaniwala talaga. Dahil ito ang panibago, inimbatahan siya ng isang Maison Yoshiki na manood ng fashion show at isang concert din. O, di ba?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.